Hello, hi, this is Andrew with a tech lesson for today. Today I'm going to show you what's called a word merge. And you'll find it right over here in the external data. It's called word merge. But what I have here, so I have some participants, just some random information I did, whether they wanted more follow-up or what product they wanted, A, B, C, and D, just random. Anyways, I made a query of only the people that wanted a follow-up, yes. So what we're going to do, we have their email and everything. Now, we're not going to send an email because, well, of course, these are fake addresses, but we're not going to send an email because my Outlook's not working too good, so we'll just skip that. So anyways, so you're in either the table or the query you need to get the information out for, and you just click on word merge. And again, it's under external data toolbar, and you click on word merge. And I'll ask you if you want to link up to an existing Word document. Now, yes, it'd be kind of good if you're doing the same thing over and over just to save it. But we're going to create a new one. And it's going to open up in Word down over here. And you got a blank document. Now, it has some options to kind of guide you through it. I'm just going to remove this for right now. So you have, so start a word merge. Let's say you want to do an email, envelopes, labels, directory. I'm just do letters because email issues. Okay, so you have letter, and then so you got one interesting thing. You do a grading line. You can start off with a grading and the format. So dear, let's just do greetings. Greetings. Terrence Barnes. Okay, start this off. Yep. Now, and you can preview this by clicking this ABC button. And see, this changes all throughout the 18 people. And so I'm just going to start, and you find the you add different information by just going to insert merge field. So I'm just going to do something like and insert word merge product B. And I'm just going to just start typing something out, and you'll see how I do it. Just fast forward or mute this. All right, so that's kind of about it. So you can see the fields there, and it just changes. Yeah. Go to the beginning, last one. And when you're finished, you do finish word merge, and you can print. You can send email messages, but we're not going to do that. But yeah, well, I'll start going through a little bit of it. Send email, subject line, type your subject, just hit OK, and it'll pop up in Outlook. Okay, so all right, hope this helped anyone, and let me know what you think in the comments below, and have a great day, and wish everyone the best.